Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market is currently falling like a rock. And today, guys, we are going to see increased volatility within the next 12 to 24 hours. Guys, you will want to watch this video. If you're holding any crypto at all, make sure to watch this video from the beginning until the end. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So let's get straight into it. And what you can see on the daily time frame, guys, is that finally we did break down from this orange box. And look at the effect here. The bulls were really trying to protect us from breaking down from this orange box. Why? Well, the answer is very, very clear right here. Because as we broke down from this orange box, straight down to $59,000 we went here. So right now we're actually going down a little bit further. It seems like Bitcoin wants to go down a little bit lower. And just like I've been saying, if we were to break down from this orange box, really the next level of major support was going to be at $58,000, which is this orange box right here. So this is very important developments right now for Bitcoin and the entire crypto market. Some altcoins are down 15 to 20% as well. So that is absolutely brutal for the altcoins. Now, why are we going down right now? Because we do have very, very important stuff happening throughout this week, but also particularly today. This is why in the last few videos, I have been talking about, 4 days ago, I posted this one saying that, we're going to have big volatility. We're going to have stuff happening this week, and especially today on Wednesday. So be mindful of your leverage today. Be mindful of everything because you are going to see some decent volatility today, guys. Make no mistake. Now, why are we seeing this? So today, you are not only going to have the ISM manufacturing PMI, you're going to have the JOLTS job openings, also, of course, the Fed interest rate decision and the Fed press conference. And this is very, very important because the market is starting. There's some chatter in the market right now that Jerome Powell may actually, in the press conference, be open for cutting interest rates a little bit further. Now, for me personally, I will go ahead and tell you straight away, I do not think that they are going to increase the interest rates anymore. But the market is starting to almost count a little bit of a chance that they're actually going to start to increase the interest rates again. So that is why the market is really, really shaky right now. And this is the first time where they're going to have a press conference where he is going to have to address the increased inflation and the slow economical growth, all of these things. So the market is going to react to whatever he is going to say. That is why this meeting, this press conference is very, very, very important in terms of how the market is going to react to what he is going to say. Not only that, today also you have the US Treasury refinancing requirements. This is something I talked about a couple of days ago, and that is also going to bring a lot of volatility into the market. So yeah, market looking really, really shaky right now. But for me, guys, I am, this volatility, I'm prepared for it. In fact, if we look at previous occasions, and we'll look at the volatility we're seeing right now. So how much have we gone down from the previous swing high? So we're down about, right now we're down about 20%. But I want to show you something really, really interesting because the market is really, really bearish right now. The sentiment has completely died down. People are starting to talk about a bear market again. People are really, really scared. So that is due to this 20% drop. But if we look, even recently as January of 2024, let's look at the pullback we had here. And there's going to be a recurring theme here. This was 22%. Okay, from the high down to the bottom, it was 22%. So the same kind of drop you have been seeing right here, we saw it just a few months ago, not even that long ago. And if we go back throughout the beginning of this bull run, you can see we had a drop right here. This drop was, again, 21%. So this one was 21%. This one was about 21% as well. So you can see the recurring theme. Let's continue. This swing high. And now we are at the mid of 2023. Again, from the top to the bottom, we had, once again, 21%. Let's continue. Let us look at this one. So this was 22%. So this is really, really interesting how even in this bull market, we have had multiple drops of 21%. So now, just for fun, let's look at where we are going to go if we go down from the bottom, from the top again, to 21%. That would leave us at exactly $58,000, which is, once again, exactly at this orange box. So for me, it makes a lot of sense that we are going to come down. We're going to meet support, heavy support here at $58,000. Now, looking at the previous pullbacks, which has been 21%, and with this orange box right here, and you know that the orange boxes in general are typical points in which we see big bounces of, it is likely that we're going to see a decent bounce from this point. Now, is it likely that we are also going to see a complete trend reversal and start to go up and, go up towards $83,000 or whatever? Well, looking at previous history, the last couple of times I showed you, we went down by 21%. Even in this bull market, we went down several times by 21%. So that is signaling also that it looks likely that it could be a point at which we reverse and go up to higher prices. Not financial advice, of course, but yeah, that is what the market is telling us right now. Now, what I think in general is that we're gonna see a period of consolidation, okay? We're gonna see a couple of months where we go up, we go down, we go sideways, but really not that much happening. So that is what I believe in general. But then eventually, towards maybe in 2-3 months, something like that, we're gonna see a very clear trend shift and we're gonna go up to higher prices very, very clearly. That is what I believe. Not financial advice, as I said, but yeah, we will see if that is gonna be it or not. Also, what I want to show you is that right now, we are testing the 100-day EMA. Now, the last time we went down and tested this was actually right here in January of 2024. And from this point, we did see a big bounce. In fact, this was an acceleration of the bull run towards $74,000. So just wanted to point that out as well, guys. But let's keep our eyes on everything that's happening right now. Traditional markets took a big turn towards the downside yesterday as well. Right now, resting on my orange line as support. So very, very important here. Also, what I want to show you is that Jerome Powell really cannot increase the interest rates anymore, because if you look at the US Treasury Secretary Yellen, I am concerned about where we're going with the US deficit. So the US have massive debt, and the higher the interest rates, the more they have to pay out. So it is a crazy situation we are in right now. Eventually, throughout history, it has been showing us that eventually all roads leads into more money printing. So we will see if that is going to be the case right now as well. But if history is any indication of what's to come, then I do think holding our Bitcoin bags, we're going to be in a pretty good place throughout the foreseeable future. Okay, that is really what I got for you guys. Bitcoin is going down. Oh, my trading strategies, obviously big losses here on the current trading strategies. Again, big video coming out on this, but for now, I'm just adding more margin to make sure I'm not getting liquidated, but a big video is gonna come out eventually on this one as well, so be on the lookout for that. And as I say that, Bitcoin is right now again coming down and retesting the $58,000 orange line right here. So let's see if we can see a bounce from this point, but really we're so close to 58 anyway, which is the orange box right here. And then what I talked about previously might actually happen here with a bounce at least at $58,000. Guys, that is what I got for you. Make sure to not get wrecked, make sure to manage your risk, and I will see you guys in the next one.